Hi guys, I am Katherine. I am the Facility Attendant at the Plantation Community Center. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a paper moving fish.
So the supplies we're going to be using today for a paper moving fish is glue, a marker, scissors, and some construction paper. So I'm going to take my first construction paper, I'm going to grab the right edge and bring it to the left side of the paper because I want to create a square. I have to flatten this side out. My next step, I am going to cut the edge of the paper because we want to create a square. Okay, so now that we have a square, we have four sides, we're going to create a kite. So we're going to bring in the right side of the paper to the middle section. We're straightening out. And now left side into middle section. Okay, now we have a kite. So now we're going to open up. We should have these four sides. We are now going to make a triangle. And we're flattening out. So we should have a middle line in the middle. The longer side should be pointing towards the right hand side. And now we are going to cut towards the middle section. We're going to do tiny cuts. Cuts, cuts. Okay, and now I'm going to stop cutting. So now when I open up, it should look like this. I am going to now cut off the top because we don't want a pointy head fish. And I'm going to cut it into a curve. So I'm going to make a big curve here on the top. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to start gluing. So we're going to take our left side of the paper, overlap the right onto the left. And open our glue. We're going to glue the left side, put some glue on the edge, and we're going to stick the right side onto the left. And we're going to press gently. Gently, gently, gently. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more glue. Okay, I'm pressing gently, 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 gently. Okay, so here we have the body of our fish. We're moving. So now we're going to give our fish some body parts. We're going to give it some eyes and two fins and a tail. So to make life just a little easier, I'm going to fold this construction paper and I'm going to draw one big circle and I'm going to draw one big rainbow. And I'm going to cut it out so that two circles and two fins will come out. Okay, so we have two circles, two eyes. And I'm going to do the same thing for the fins. Alright. And now I have two eyes and two fins. And I want to do a nice oval circle for our tail. So we're cutting. Alrighty. So now let's get to gluing. I have my eyes. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on eye 1 and I'm going to stick. I'm pressing gently. Okay, and eye 2, a little bit of glue. And then I'm going to stick. Okay, and now for our fins. I'll put a little bit of glue on the edge. And I'm going to stick underneath gently. And on fin 2, a little bit of glue on the edge. And I'm pressing gently. Okay, and now for our tail. And we're going to put a little bit on the edge, on the shorter edge. A little bit of glue. And we're going to stick it underneath. And now we want to give the fish a mouth. So what I'm going to do with my purple paper, I'm going to make a big U. A big U. A big rainbow. And I'm going to cut out the fish's mouth. Okay, and I'm gluing, glue, and I'm going to put it inside the fish's body. Now the fish has a mouth. And now let's give this fish a tongue, shall we? So we're going to do a small U, just a smaller U. With this pink paper because tongues are normally pink or red. Okay, a nice size U. And now we can put a little bit of glue in the middle. Okay, and now our fishy has a tongue. Now if you're creative, you can give the fish a little bit of eyelashes, give him a nice eyeball, some eyelashes, a nice eyeball. You can decorate the fins a little, tail, the fins, and voila! Here we have a moving fish.